Everyone is talking about mixing these two ingredients to erase age spots and melasma. And yes, it is powerful. But stop. Before you put this on your face, you need to know the exact ratio. If you use too much baking soda, you can actually burn your skin barrier and make dark spots worse. Today, I'm showing you the safe science-backed way to use the potato soda method. The science, the why. So, why does this work? Potato juice is rich in an enzyme called CoT-clase. In natural remedy circles, this is known as nature's bleach because it targets hyperpigmentation. Baking soda, on the other hand, is an alkaline exfoliator. It lifts away dead skin cells. When you combine them, you get a potent spot treatment. But because baking soda is harsh, we never ever apply this to the whole face. Here is the safe recipe. Step 1. Grate 1 medium potato and squeeze out the fresh juice. You need about 1 tablespoon of juice. Step 2. Add just a pinch of baking soda. Do not use a teaspoon. You want to activate the exfoliation without spiking the pH level too high. Mix it until dissolved. Steps of applying a paste now. Take a cotton swab. You're doing spot treatment only. Dab this strictly on your age spots or dark patches. Avoid the healthy skin around it. Leave it on for no more than 5 to 10 minutes. If it tingles, that's normal. If it burns, wash it off immediately. Rinse with cool water and always follow up with a moisturizer. This is a strong remedy, so only do this 2 times a week at night. If you have very sensitive skin and want a gentler alternative. Thanks for watching Healthy Habits Haven. Stay glowing.